Hi parents, today your kiddos are going to come home with their AR level. Remember, AR is basically a program we use to, 1, level the children, which that has been completed, and 2, it allows them to take tests on books they independently read. So today they're going to come home with something that looks like this, and it'll have their AR level on it, and it'll also have circled or highlighted all the level of books that they can read. AR can really be any book. Books you have at home, books we have here in the library. For example, here's a book from the library, and you can see it's leveled AR 2.7. 2 books from my own class library, Fly Guy and Judy B. Jones, 2.8 and 1.7. So if you ever want to look up a book that you have or that your child's reading and find out, is this an AR book? You can. You can go to Altamiranda website, click on Teachers and find my name, hit our class website, and Parent Links, and there's something on there called AR Book Finder. Tap on that, and you can put any book that you have at home or one you check out from the local library. You can put it in there, and it will search for you. And let's say I was looking up at Judy B. Jones. And we can do Judy B. Jones, That Meanie Jim's Birthday. Right here where it says BL 2.8 would be that book level. Or another one, She Has a Monster Under Her Bed, BL 2.7. So AR helps us level the books, and then when a child is ready, they'll be allowed to take a test. All tests will be taken in class, so that's not something you have to worry about. I'll be sending more information on how you can track your child AR scores once we get a little bit farther into it. Thank you.